Greetings everyone. Let's see how to change display name of your child Gmail account. So for that I'm going to sign in my Gmail account. Please enter your Gmail ID and password. After that click on the next button. Yes. Now in the right top corner there is a option of manage your Google account. Please click on that. In this there is home, personal info, security, other functions. Please click on the personal info. They are asking for our basic info. Please click on the name. Okay, it may ask for the password again for the verification. Please enter your password and after that click on the next button. Here enter your first name and last name of your child. Please remember to enter your child exact name that we can identify them in the Google Classrooms. Please click on the save button. Okay. For checking whether the name is saved or not, please refresh the Gmail tab. After refreshing, in the right top corner, yes, the display name is shown. Please remember to enter your child name. Thank you.